put away the winter decor and switch things out for spring. I've got a new yard flag that I got. I think this one's a bit bigger than this though. That's funny. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to hang that up somewhere. That's cute though, huh? Not gonna work there. I love having a porch. It's just a great place to hang out with the family and to welcome others here. So join me as I do a few spring projects to decorate my porch. Hi, I'm Amy. This is Cody, and welcome to my porch. Cody just had a trip to the vet today, so we were gonna spend some time outside having some stress relief, and I think that a blackbird or something rather annoying has joined us, and you might hear the sounds of the road. Today I want to show you how I'm taking a cast-off little Easter basket and making a cute moss garden pretty much for free. I'm gonna take you over here so we can get started. You gonna stay here, Code? Good boy. Who's so cute? You're so cute. So first of all, I've got just an old basket that I found in my garage. I could have thrown it away, but I decided to upcycle it. And if you have leftover baskets that you're thinking of getting rid of, you can use those or easily find these at a thrift store. And you can grab dirt, moss, and rocks right from your yard. If you just wanted to do a moss garden, that would be beautiful enough. I've even used yard weeds like violets to make one of these before. But today I'm going to be putting some bulbs in here so that I can set it on my porch and the bulbs will actually grow and bloom in time for Easter. So I put some mulch and rock in here. You could put gravel, whatever you've got around, for some drainage at the bottom of this plastic bag. The plastic will protect the surfaces. If I was going to put it right here, I don't want this to get ruined. Now I'm ready to put in my dirt. This is just some potting soil, but I'm also going to use some wet looking stuff that I've got. Might have some garden gloves, but I don't know where they're at. Okay, so I'm gonna make a little spot in the middle, and I'm gonna put some bulbs in there. Some tulips, some blue Dutch iris, some mixed crocus, and those are small, so I think I'm gonna use that. And then yellow daffodils, as well as some blue muscari, so those are cute. I'll use the small ones. And I think I saw something in the yard that I'm gonna dig up. Now, I don't know if these are crocuses or what, but they were little bulbs found in my yard. So that, you can see it's already got like a little growth, so I think it'll be a good one. And here's one I'll stick over on this side. Cover it up. This will be nice and damp for what I'm gonna put on top. And the bulbs should just come right up through that. Just filling in the gaps with some cute little moss plugs. Moss makes me happy. I love moss. If you're interested in more low budget DIYs, I have a playlist that I'll link at the end that you can go watch, and we can have more fun in the garden together. Oh yeah, from the backyard I grabbed these succulents. I think those will be pretty in there. I think they're sedum or something like that. They're great ground cover. They're easy to grow. Quick and easy Easter basket, moss garden, and then wait for my bulbs to grow. And I want to check on this to make sure it's moist but not overwatered. And I've got a little variety of some ribbons with me. These are cute spring things, aren't they? So I'm going to choose something. It's between this and this for this little guy. What do you prefer? All you need to do to make a pretty cute bow is kind of loop-de-loo, leave a little bit extra to wrap around it. Like that. And I really like to use wired because you can take the ends and poke it in it and it won't go anywhere. You could use hot glue if you want. I'm just gonna wire it in. That's kind of cute, isn't it? Okay, I've got my embellishment. I'm going to tie this around. Maybe you'd want to tie it on your handle, but I'm going for here. And that's the back, so I want to put it on the front. Just gonna crisscross it. And there we go. What do you think? Cute, huh? Didn't cost me very much, just a couple of cents for the bulbs, and everything else I kind of grabbed from what I had. Well, I've been out digging, obviously with my hands, And I'm going to make a few more moss gardens just for my porch because it's kind of nice to have a collection of those. And I just pulled these up from the yard where they're not wanted. Nice potting soil in here. Good drainage. And I'm just gonna pretty much grab some of these and stick them in. If you know anyone who has a yard full of bulbs, you might just want to ask and see if they need any help in their garden, if they want to divide them. Trucks are out in full force today. Muscari? I don't know. There we go. And then I'll finish it off with a little nest right here. And the bulbs should just grow right up around it. I like that. And these were some rusty old pails that I found in a shed that I was supposed to clean out. Stick these pretty small drops in. Some pretty heavy duty bulbs there. Sun's kind of gone away, so I need to hurry up because my fingers are getting cold.
I'll bring in the Cody. In. Cody. In.
That's the beautiful thing about bulbs. They're resilient. Gonna move on to this little guy. Doing what I do best, which is making a mess. I'm playing in the dirt. And there's another cute little moss garden. Nice carpet of moss there. Two more. This one's gonna need some help, so I'll put some eggs on. There you go. Keep him inside. Leaves or something to make his nest. Something like that. He'll need a few days to perk up, I think. Here's this teeny tiny little flower. I don't know if you can see that. Isn't that cute? So I'm gonna stick that in there too while we wait for the bulb to kind of show up. Probably would have benefited it to have a longer pot, but that's what I've got. We'll see if it makes it. Here we go. Yep, I like it. Definitely is a sweet though. Remember this from the beginning of the video? I thought I'd replace it on my flag holder that a friend gave me, and I'm really embarrassed to say I didn't pay attention to the size of it, and I bought this giant flag as a replacement. So I would either have to return it, which probably wouldn't be worth the gas money, or figure out a way to use it. So I decided that I would get these and use these siding hooks to hang it up here instead. The bunny? Bunny? Maybe that'll work. You like the bunny? Your little lips are kind of purple. We need a coat on you, don't we? Yeah, say bunny rabbit. Well, to me, Easter is really about the resurrection of Christ, but I do enjoy bunny rabbits as a symbol of spring, so I think that that's really cute, and I'm pleased with how my porch turned out. My friend Lauren also gave me a wicker glass table over here. So I've got 2 seating areas now, and I think I'm going to put my little moss garden up here. It'll just be these ones up here. If you enjoyed this video, would you be sure to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe below if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell so that you'll know when the next video is up. I've got more yard creativity videos in this playlist, and YouTube thinks you'd enjoy this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. I don't know what you're eating, buddy. Is that a worm? Cody's rolling in a worm. Cody, you're kind of gross. Don't roll in dead things. Ew, now you're eating a dead thing. That's